Hi everyone, I'm Claire from Architecture Mindset. Today, I want to delve into the importance of scope and stakeholders when working with the Architecture Mindset View library. Let's begin by defining these key terms. Scope indicates the level of the organization that a view is intended to describe. While this isn't always an exact science, since many views can apply across several levels, we categorize them based on the scope we believe is most relevant. Stakeholders are individuals or organizations with a vested interest in the architecture. Understanding who your stakeholders are is essential to creating effective architectural views. The View Library offers guidance on which types of stakeholders are likely to be most interested in each view. But let's start with scope. Finding the right view for stakeholders is not straightforward, as stakeholders may work at different organizational levels and require levels of abstraction in architectural views which meet their specific needs. To support architects, architecture mindset views are categorized into 3 scopes: strategic, tactical, and solution. These scopes map well to the widely recognized model for decision-making levels within a business, although the solution level is preferred as a well-established architecture scope instead of the operational level commonly used in business. At the strategic level, the focus is placed on the overarching vision and long-term objectives of the organization. It's about aligning technology initiatives with business goals, ensuring coherence across the enterprise. Stakeholders at this level, such as executives and enterprise architects, are interested in high-level abstractions that provide a holistic view that aligns the organization's technology landscape with the business strategy. The tactical level serves as a bridge between strategy and execution. This is where we translate strategic objectives into practical plans. This involves designing architectures that encompass multiple solutions, considering people, processes, and technology. Tactical architecture provides the foundation for creating programs and projects, ensuring that they align with the broader strategic goals. Solution scope is the most detailed level. This is where we focus on the design and implementation of individual systems or applications. Solution architecture is concerned with operational aspects, providing detailed guidance to developers and engineers in order to create and maintain products. So, now that we understand about the scope of the architecture and views, let's take a look at stakeholders. As architects, one of our primary responsibilities is to address stakeholder concerns effectively. By utilizing the right architectural views tailored to specific stakeholders, we can communicate our designs, facilitate collaboration, and satisfy stakeholders' needs. Stakeholders come from various backgrounds and have diverse interests. Understanding their roles is essential in selecting appropriate views to convey our architectural concepts effectively. The stakeholders often have significant influence over the architecture. This is not unusual since the purpose of the architecture is to provide value for its stakeholders. Each view in the View library contains a section which describes stakeholders and their particular interest in the view. We can't list every stakeholder who might be interested in architectural views, but we group stakeholders into 4 types found in most business scenarios. These are strategic stakeholders, business stakeholders, product stakeholders, and development stakeholders. Let's take a closer look at these stakeholder categories. Strategic stakeholders have a focus on long-term planning and objectives that guide the organization as a whole. Their interests lie in areas like cost efficiency, profitability, market positioning, and overall growth. They are interested in how technology can help the business meet its objectives. Typically, they prefer high-level, abstract views with minimal technical detail. Roles in this category often include executives, high-level management, CEOs, and CIOs. Business stakeholders aim to improve operational efficiency by leveraging technology in alignment with strategic goals. They provide the context and business requirements for digital transformations and technological developments. Their primary goal is to ensure the organization's operations align with its strategy. Examples include middle management, application portfolio managers, business process owners, and business experts. Product stakeholders are responsible for delivering technology products that meet the needs of the business. Product stakeholders translate business requirements into system requirements and specifications. They focus on planning and managing the product lifecycle to ensure continuous value delivery. Roles here encompass product owners, project managers, expert users, subject matter experts, and technical managers. Development stakeholders handle the design, construction, and quality assurance of products based on system requirements. Their objective is to build solutions that are effective and fit for purpose, and maintain them throughout their life cycle. This group includes software developers, infrastructure developers, user experience designers, technical experts, and test engineers. So, to wrap things up, today we looked at why scope and stakeholders really matter when working with architecture views. We showed how scope provides guidance for views, whether we're thinking big picture at the strategic level, bridging the gap at the tactical level, or getting into the nuts and bolts at the solution level. We also looked at stakeholders, the people we're creating these views for. Understanding who they are and organizing them into groups which are used in the architecture mindset view descriptions. Thanks for your time today. For more information on scope, stakeholders, and more, check out the resources at architecturemindset.com.